Hello everyone, this is Shima from NGCC Software Technology. I'm a faculty of AutoCAD department, and today we are going to learn about ETABS. Today will be just an introduction class. Basically, what is ETAB? Why is this software being built? The first question is, why do we use this software? Uh, this software is very similar to StatPro. Uh, as you all know, what we do in StatPro is we design a structure, analyze it, right, and then take an output. Uh, but the only difference between ETAB and StatPro is in ETAB, we can build or analyze or take an output for buildings of stories up to 400, like G plus 400. Whereas in StatPro, we get an accurate value only till G plus 7. Above G plus 7, you will not get an accurate value. That is why ETAB software has been built to analyze the structure of buildings above 7, like from G ground floor to 400 floor, sorry. So the full form of ETAB is extended analysis of 3D building structure. Okay, so the name itself indicates that it is an extended analysis. That means after StatPro, we are extending this software to do an analysis of a 3D building structure for G plus 400 floors. Okay, so this can only be done for building structures. ETAB is only used for building structures. We cannot use it for towers or for water tanks or transmitters. No, it's only used for building structures. That's it. Okay. Whereas in StatPro, we can do an analysis for transmitters, for water tanks, for flyovers, but ETAB is only for buildings. Okay. And we can also not do the foundation in this. Whereas in StatPro we can do the foundation, and ETAB is only for the buildings. So we start from the ground floor up to 400 floors. Okay. In ETAB, what we do is, first thing we do the first we do the designing part, and then the analysis. So what first we do is the designing and then the analysis. Design means, what do you mean by design? To provide the reinforcement details, and analysis means to find the behavior of the members. Okay, so first in design we provide the reinforcement details, and analysis means nothing but the behavior of the members. So the next thing we will look into is the features of ETAB. What are the features of ETAB? The first thing, it is a CSI product. What do you mean by CSI product? Computer and structure incorporation. Computer and Structure Incorporation. So the first thing is it is a CSI product, okay? Whereas if you look into the past, first ETAB was produced by it was produced by the California University. It was produced by the California University in Berkeley. It was first produced by the California, and it had given us a copyright of 2010, whereas the copyright which they had produced was not up to the mark, and that is why the CSI Incorporation has taken it into their hands, and they have then incorporated some more features in it and have produced or given us a version of 2016. So the present version we'll be working on will be of 2016, which is 16.2.0. Okay, and the file format we will be working on is of .edb. Okay, so this will be the file format we will be working on in ETABS. So the next thing we'll look into is the advantages of ETABS. The first advantage, if we look into of ETABS, is it is a program. It is a program calculated software. It is a program calculated software. The second advantage is it is used for high-raised building structures. As I have told you earlier in the introduction part, that the main advantage of the ETABS application is that it is used for high-raised building structures. So for stories which are of 50, 100, 200, up till 400, this application will give you the right accurate value. Okay, the next advantage is that in this we can design up to G plus 400 stories, as I told you. We can design up to G plus 400 stories. The next advantage is that it is easy. The design part is very easy. Also, the next advantage, the modifications in this is being done very easy. If you want to modify anything in the middle, modification part is also very easy. So modifications are also easy. Okay, the next advantage is we design and modify the structure for each and every story. So it's not that we just design one story and then we can then copy it all to other stories. No, we can design and modify the structure of each and every story which we are creating. So we design and modify the structure of each and every single story. Okay, we can use design and modify structure of each Alright, the next is 7 point is at a time we can see the plan view as well as the 3D view. So at the time we can see both the screens will be there in this application, so we can see both of them at one time. And the next advantage is the slab and the stairs are easy. Whereas in starter we cannot do the stairs. Over here the slab and the stairs both are easy. So these are the advantages of ETABS. We have 8 advantages in this. We also have few disadvantages. Like every application has a disadvantage, even ETABS has few disadvantages. We'll look into that as well. Okay, so the disadvantages of ETABS is the first one. The first disadvantage is that we can't do the foundation design, as I told you earlier. Only from the ground floor to the top stories is being starting in ETABS. We cannot do the foundation design. Okay, and the next disadvantage is that circular shapes are a little difficult. If you want any building which is in a circular shape, it can be done, but it is a little complicated, a little difficult. Circular shapes may be difficult. Alright, these are the advantages and the disadvantages of ETABS application. So the first class is about the introduction, the advantages and the disadvantages. In the next class, we'll see the sequence flow and what else are there what are the features in the ETABS application. Thank you.